right, guys, it is officially the kickoff of the shitbox-Fox transformation, sorta, kinda. Resto, mini, mild, whatever. Glorified tune-up. Let's leave it at that. Gary has made it. He is inside getting his GoPro ready. I've taken out enough of the parts that were stuffed inside and sitting in the back of the Lightning here. There he is. Castle Customs in the house. So yeah, we're going to take this for a little voyage. Got the hood fastened down. Hopefully she starts up. Have to give him a lesson here.
Oh, seats are plush.
Oh, so
Jesus Christ, they sit high too.
a guy, that's actually, is that a power seat track one? Or it was a power seat track, I think. They're actually convertible seats.
Oh.
But a guy is donating a set of tweed seat covers.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so I don't know how bad these foams are. We're gonna have to kind of get a feel for them. Oh, she's a warm one in Texas today.
Yeah. Okay, Chris.
Oh shit, what did I do with the screwdriver? You need that. There it is.
What's this wire for?
Oh, it's optional. Actually, those were the horn wires.
That's optional.
Yeah. So you got to, yeah.
And then she's flush.
Yeah.
Fuel pump just runs?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Just keep holding it. Oh shit. Man, it's the first time. I swear. Let me get my boots here.
Are you still filming? Yep. Come on, girl.
No, it's not doing it. Ah! Man, I have to pop the hood open.
Shitbox-Fox problems. The battery in the back?
Yeah. This is a race car, man.
Well, where are you hooking up in the front then?
To the solenoid.
Oh.
Just straight on.
I'm like, is this thing got dual batteries?
Wouldn't that be sweet?
You might need them.
What's that?
I can screw those down if you want to go around.
There you go.
Moves. Oh my god, dude.
Yeah, all over the road, right?
Feels like you're driving like a mud truck or something.
Oh, you gotta get up to the keypad. Yeah, surprisingly, with this rusted computer.
Pretty steep gear in it, eh?
Yeah, it's 373s.
Okay,
Go that way.
let's see. You got 80. Does the fuel gauge actually work?
I don't know. I think it does actually. Just deeper to the right. All right, I think Gary's almost driven it further than than I have now.
Dude,
It's not horrible, right?
like, other than it feels like it wants to throw you into the weeds.
Yeah. Oh,
It actually goes
the
pretty
hood's
good.
wobbling pretty good. It's only got 2 fasteners. Yeah, the alignment's way off too from me with that coilover, because it did actually drive so much straight before.
Feels pretty strong.
I know, right? Well, the compression was good, man. So like, oh fuck, this guy didn't even look.
We don't even know if we
Didn't
got
even
brakes. Yeah, you're, oh yeah, I think the tranny's
Yeah.
tired, hard, tired. Makes all kinds of noises.
Oh yeah. Well, the hatch isn't closed all the way, so that's rattling. The oil
Definitely makes-
pressure's good.
Yeah, makes good exhaust noises.
Yeah. Yeah, if you dare find
It
the
doesn't ride
turnarounds.
that bad. Like,
I know,
I don't
right?
like. This is 2 minutes down the road. Like, not 1,800 miles, good, but probably part of it has something to do with this Bobcat cushions on the seat.
No, but for how low it is, seriously.
Yeah,
And like that corner should actually ride really nice.
right.
No inner fenders, just throwing rocks up everywhere.
Oh, there's no wheel well liners. Jeez, dude. For a car that was destined to be a flower planter,
Oh yeah.
belt squeaks. Does it have reverse?
Yeah. I'll just watch, don't full cock the tires. That's the one thing you don't do. There you go.
Good save.
Good save. Gary knows what he's doing. Oh yeah.
Where the place is that rattle coming from?
I don't know, maybe we blew something up. Well, we know that transmission's not the greatest, so
True.
maybe the drive shaft's ready to fall out of it or something.
Yeah, man, like it runs good.
Yeah, I think the motor like shouldn't really have any issues.
It's nice, great cruiser.
Yeah.
Oh, it definitely wants to go.
Oh yeah.
No read on what cylinder heads are in it.
They're the aluminum SVO. So aluminum SVO heads. We got the Cobra intakes. Forget what size the throttle body is. It's got that 7-quart Moroso oil pan on it,
Right.
which is usually a pretty good indication of a decent build, but we don't know if it's stroked. We don't know. It's just stock.
Yeah, man, like it runs strong for sure. Yeah, other than it, like, I mean, if the transmission didn't seem like it was gonna go through the roof,
No, the transmission, and that's probably why the car got parked.
sure enough.
You know, she stays cool at 180.
Unbelievable.
I think we should keep these gauges too.
Oh, 100%.
Right, nearing the shitbox last. Oh, now we gotta let it cool the down.
All right.
Nothing like pulling a motor after you just got it up to operating temp. Oh, the old whoosh. Oh, this will be a challenge to reach that. Yeah, I think we put some miles on it.
It is. Yeah, that booster is gone, eh?
Yeah. I think it was Calypso Coyote. We got a 93 Cobra booster.
Oh, nice.
We do need a master though. Nobody did the master, but that's easy to get. I know you want to do it. Did you lose something?
No blue smoke or anything. Oh. Not bad, bud.
Could be worse, right?
Oh,
Do a little walk around. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a little. There's a little bit.
yeah, lumpy cam. Maybe she just needs a can of sea foam,
Oh, probably.
right? Rings are probably lock solid.
Rattle, rattle. Oh,
It's got character.
oh yeah. Guess let's shut her down. Let her cool down. You know how to use that key?
Yep.
What did we do with it? Did we lose it?
Unreal.
Maybe just hook up a catch can to it, you know? But man, the compression was real good.
Yeah.
Well, you know what it could be? I bet you the valve seals are a little dry.
Oh, yeah.
Because if it's under load, it's usually the seals, right? If it's when you're letting off, it means it's getting past the rings.
True enough.
Isn't that the whole methodology?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and hell, we can pull a valve cover off and see what shit looks like under there, but it looked pretty clean when I peeked down the, like the filler hole.
Yeah. And or just pack a flat of oil with us.
Yeah.
Wouldn't be out of place in the trunk of this old girl.
No.
Holy dude. But
Yeah.
yeah, massive character.
Oh, I know. And the worst part is like the paint under the paint is actually pretty nice. Like, see how shiny it is?
Yeah. What in the hell?
Oh, maybe a bit of sun fade there. Yeah. Yeah, like all the shiny spots are just coming off the moldings. Like somebody, maybe it's like a Mako paint job or something.
Well, yeah, because it's weird how it's like blistered.
Yeah.
I think it's this other side, like it's weird. Like it almost looks like somebody took a torch to it.
Oh, yeah.
You know? Like it looks like you cooked a hot dog too long.
So true.
Like,
So what do you think of the taillights?
oh yeah. That was you and Jer.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, those look great.
Like I tried to make them look shitty to match,
Right.
but with some character.
Yeah. No, they look the part.
Oh, it actually has this too, the friggin' fuel door lock. Oh yeah,
There it goes.
yeah. It's when I had the splitter on. Too much, because when I put the self tapper in, it actually went into that hole. So it's
Oh.
the thread kind of like hooking.
Right.
But yeah, man. New window run channels for it, and we'll be sealed up.
Does it need pins on the side?
Not enough to care.
No. It just looked like it fell when you opened it.
Oh, you see, look at that. Still has a little Ford plaque.
Holy. This thing's OE mint.
I know, right?
There it goes.
Yeah.
My goodness.
What did we get ourselves into?
Oh God.
Oh,
Well,
you hungry?
no time like the. We're gonna procrastinate more.
What is going on?
Pinky, you old bitch!
Doesn't work as good, does it?